try to see some examples practically. Okay.
Okay.
So this is our syllabus, which talks about different types of functions, SQL functions, single row functions, character functions, case manipulation functions. Okay. And we
Mhm.
have few examples with the case manipulation. Then you have number functions. We'll see them all practically. So I'll try to take help of auto resource. Okay, I have find this a very good website, and I hope this will also help you. So let me paste a link to you so that you can some practice. Okay, so single row function. Okay, it is something which talks about you know um, it work on a single row or return one output per row. Okay, the multiple rows or multiple rows functions work upon a group of rows that return one result. Okay, so that sounds simple. Does it sound simple? Single row and multiple row functions. Okay. Now, what are the categories that the single row functions? We'll see. We'll dig into, or we will dive more in this. Okay, the general functions categorize something like NVL, NVL2, another coalesce, case, decode. Okay, and in the case conversion functions, you have uppercase, lowercase, initial cap. Okay, uppercase converts the string to uppercase. I mean, all the characters will be in capital letters. The lower function will convert them into the lowercase, which is the smaller alphabets. Initial cap function converts only the initial alphabets, which is the initial letter. I hope you have practiced.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can
Right.
skip
Okay.
basic commands and you can start joins because we already know these function commands.
You said you need to start practicing.
Yeah, we'll practice these basic commands, basic function commands. You can go and start the joins. Joins directly.
Joins. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. So, as this, there are different types of joins: equi-join, non-equi-join, self, natural, cross, auto-join. Okay, we will see them practically. The inner join is also known as a simple join. Okay, left order join is also known as a left join, and right order join is known as a right join. Okay, we'll see that practically now. So join is actually combining the two different tables and getting you one output. Okay, when you talk about the equi-join, we are using something called is equal to operator, which is a simple join, which is combining the two different columns. I mean, and getting you the results. Okay. Uh, I've taken the example here. Okay. The, See, this is an alias that we are using in this column. Okay. And I'm trying to combine the two different tables here, the employees and the departments. So let's see this one. So are you able to see the results?
Yeah.
Let me move up. There we go. So it gave us the first name, last name, salary, added job ID, department ID. Okay, this is from the department table. This is also from department table. Okay, and this is simple an example. Okay, next we are using the using clause. We'll try to use the same join with the help of the using clause. So it's almost the same. The result that you find here is almost the same. Okay. Next, we are trying to retrieve the results from the on clause. So would you like to try this quiz as well? Shall I
Yeah.
send you this script to you?
Yeah.
It's better. Okay, non-equijoin. Okay, non-equijoin is a join which contains an operator other than equal to. Okay, that is known as a non-equijoin. So we are using something called greater than, lesser than, okay, something like that. Okay, so we are expecting a result which matches this criteria, a salary greater than 6,000. So let's execute it. Okay, so I have the salaries all greater than 6,000. All right, now self join, cross join. Joining the table itself is called a self join. Cross join, this will gives the cross product. Okay, so we'll see some examples of the self join here and the cross join. This is some HR departments. I think it gave me error last time also. So what it's saying is, what is the error? So HR departments D. So we'll try to get some examples from the other resource. All right, so this is the different table actually. Okay. So we can't apply it in the HR table. Okay, let's see this here. Okay, let's try this one. Select. If we take employees, cross join departments. Let's see some more examples. Okay, this is the cross join we are using with on class. Okay, so will you be able to do this examples?
Yeah.
We have some more examples here. It's actually showing you how with the the grammatical presentation how the cross join works. Okay, so okay, we'll move forward. Okay, so next is auto join. Okay, that gives the non-matching records along with the matching records. You know, you'll have duplicate as well as a non-duplicate values. Okay, and the left auto join, this will display all the matching records and the records which are on the left hand side. Actually, the impact is more on the left hand side table. Okay, what do I mean by left hand side table? It's like, uh, okay, this is the table 1 and table 2. You're trying to combine this. You're trying to give you the more records, the more rows from the table 1.
Okay.
Okay, and also those common rows that are matching this criteria in the table 2. So that's why you see this covering area, the table 2. Okay. See, for example, here is the customers table and the orders table. And I would like to see, say, for example, those customers who has ordered uh, uh, more than $12,000 or $5,000. Okay, so uh, see, see this labeling upon the customer's ID, which is matching because these two tables are uh, been related. Like this has been a parent table, this has been a child table, okay, and the both of the tables, the common thing that it has the customer ID. This is the identification of the customer, and depending upon the customer ID, we can say how many orders that the specific customer has made on what particular day. Okay. Uh, let's see, do we have any, I think we have a table called, we'll see if we have any tables. That we can execute the same kind of query. So we have locations, persons as region, kernel, departments, employees, and countries. Okay. So if you use this kind of example, you will actually get the examples with a sample schema of the HR schema. Okay. So we have a countries table. So let's check. We have a countries table here. Oh yes. So we have the countries table. Okay. And then what is the other table that it is joining with? Cities. So do we have the cities table?
No.
Or is the table? Okay. So we don't have a cities table. Or else let's look at the other example. Example 2 is joining with the employee in the department table. Okay. So
Okay.
this example shows, select the employee number, employee surname, last name, department number, working department, the employee table, okay, and department in the department table. So we'll try this. Select employee number, last name, work department, department name from SAM, dot employee, left auto join SAM dot department. So SAM is being used as an alias, and okay, I think this is not going to work because we have the employees table. Okay, we have something called employees, something called departments, okay. And to see that the columns describe employees and describe departments. So we have something called employee ID, okay, EMPLOYE, EMPLOYE underscore ID, last name. This should be a department ID. Okay, from E dot employees departments where mm, do department model working department in the employee table. So employee last name. So working department in the employee table. So this should be a department. There is no department name actually here in the employee table. So what we do is we'll make an alias here by e dot employee ID. Then we have e dot last name, e dot okay, and then we have e. This should be d dot department ID. Yes. D dot department ID. And this would be d dot departments. And this is so we are trying to get the information of those employees who were born earlier than 1930. So let's try this. Tabular view does not exist. So D dot department. So do you think that this is this matching this criteria? Are you there, guys?
Which? Yeah.
Or shall we try this one?
Yeah.
Select department number, department name, employee number, last name from department, select original employee. So we have department name, employee name, last name, and department. So we'll try to do this one. So list every department with the employee number and the last name of the manager, including departments without the manager. So manager number is equal to employee number. We don't have a department number, we have a department ID, which is DAPARTMENT underscore ID. Okay, and we do have a department name. And we have not, we don't have employee number, but we have
D dot department ID, E dot department ID కూడా ఉండాలి.
ఆయన వాడి దాంట్లో ఉన్నది పెట్టుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది.
ఇది సేమ్ కాలం ఒకటి ఉండాలి అందులో.
okay. The manager number and the employee number. Manager number and employee number. This is has to be matched. Okay, so we have employee ID. We don't have employee number. Employee ID, and this should be, I think, a manager ID. MANAGER underscore ID. Okay, we'll still have a recheck on this. Okay, so we have a manager ID. Okay, is equal to employee ID, and select department ID, department name, department underscore name, DAPART MENT underscore name, employee name, comma last name from department employees. This is employees. Okay, and I think this is the departments. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So let's keep the finger crossed. Okay, column ambiguously defined. Okay, manager ID. MANAGER underscore ID. Okay, let me use this one. Let's say D dot. Okay, so it's a last underscore name. Okay, and system department D, employees E. This is D dot manager ID, and this is D dot employee ID. And run that identify. Hello. Answer. Okay, okay. I'm just checking if I'm missing something. What's this?
ఇంకో అతను వచ్చేసి మన ఇంగ్లీష్ ఉన్నాడు కదా ఇంగ్లీష్
No.
కదా
Does the power will go now like this? No, it says limited connectivity. Internet is disconnected. Connecting to the network and taking longer than usual.